Crafty Classroom. Today I just wanted to show you what I did. I finished the collection, which yay, never say never, but this collection, the Simple Stories, America the Beautiful, these are all the pieces I have left. I have one little card, and I'll keep that in my stash, and I will put these in the recycle bin, and I will keep these in my stash as well. You never know when you need a sticker. I just have a folder that has all kinds of leftover stickers from collections, so that'll go with that. So let me show you what I made. I saw a tutorial from Karolina, from Karolina's Crafts with a K, and she made a little album like this, and it was from a tutorial she watched from Tiffany at Let's Get Scrappy. So Tiffany had made two different sizes, two different styles. This one is 4.5 by 4.5 by 6.5, and then this one is 3 3/4 by 6. And I think they're so cute. So let me go ahead and show you what I did. So the first one, this is a cut apart from the collection. I did use solid cardstock I started an envelope that has leftover cardstock instead of, if I don't know where it goes. So if it's like a one-off sheet out of my stash and there's leftovers, I just drop it in this envelope, and it's been coming in handy. I've been using it quite a bit. So that's where this red came from, the flowered, and then this is a cut apart. I think it's so cute. And on the back is just the pattern paper. I did use the Dollar Tree Grosgrain ribbon. I love this ribbon. I love the Dollar Tree Grosgrain ribbon. It's very nice feeling. And it opens up like this, and there's lots of places for photos. So here I have another one of the cut aparts. This one's a 3x4. Opens up, you can put photo here and a photo here. This will actually hold a 4x6 photo. So that's great. And then now we have a little waterfall, and that's all it is just a small waterfall. And you can put pictures, 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 pictures. This is the other cut apart that I had, and I made it into a little tuck spot for a photo. And on the front, it has the Pledge of Allegiance. I thought that was adorable. And then I used a few stickers to decorate that. And then for a photo, here I was running out of pieces big enough. So here I made a little tuck spot with another cut apart for a photo on the back. It says United States of America down there. I don't know why it's so blurry. Can't read that, but that's what it says. You can see everything else fine. On the back, I did the same thing, two different pieces of paper, and this is just a piece of cardstock I left for photos. I didn't want to get it too bulky. So once you put photos on here, it's going to get pretty bulky. So I left that plain just for two photos and another photo there. This one, I just put the cut apart. I just trimmed it down slightly. So this is a 4x6, just trimmed down a little bit. And then here, there's another place for a photo here. And then on the end, there is a pocket that I did mat on one side. And this paper is just it was out of my stash, like 2 pieces of white cardstock. I have no idea what paper it was. It was just random in my stash. Doing this, I did find out that I have very little 12 by 12 paper. I have like one-offs, but I don't have enough 12 by 12 paper to do a book. So that's another video. So now this one. This one's a little different than what she did, but I did do the organza ribbon blue on top, and then on the back is just the pattern paper. And when you untie this, I put a piece of acetate. Hers did not have that. She just had her book like this. And I was like, well, I kind of want this. And I think I should have used a thicker acetate. I have many different kinds. I think the thicker kind would have been better, but it's still totally cute. Just gives a little protection on the book. On the front, this was a sticker, and I layered up some pieces of paper here. My heart beats red, white, and blue. So this one has a little cut apart here where you can journal. And right there it says red, white, and blessed. I thought that was so cute. Over here, I used a bunch of stickers to collage into a photo mat. So the photo mat goes here, and this is like I did the other one is just plain. So once you put your pictures, it's gonna bulk it up. So picture, picture, red, white, and you picture. This one I did leave open so you can tuck your photo in and glue it down that way. And just patterned paper. Happy birthday, America. This one is just like the other one where I left it open so you can slide your picture under there. And then Sweet Land of Liberty. And then this one does not have a pocket like this one, but there's plenty of places for another little photo. So I think these turned out so cute. If I can figure it out again, I may put these in my Etsy shop. They will be for sale. If anybody is interested, feel free to shoot me an email or send me a message here on YouTube, and we can talk about that as a possibility. But I just wanted to share that I finished the whole kit. Yay me! All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.